Good morning. Today we'll do the mushrooms with omelet. So basically we will cook mushrooms about 5 minutes, I guess even less. And the vegetables, I guess even less minutes. Just make it fried a little bit. That's it. And everything we'll do with the eggs. So basically all of the preparation, the cooking process will take about 7 minutes, and all of the preparation process about, I don't know, 10 minutes maybe. Not that fast food, but if you like fast food, so fastest one I guess it will be raw fruit and vegetables. Nothing I guess can be faster than that. Okay, so red mushrooms is ready. Vegetables, I don't know, it depends what vegetables you have. You can put like literally anything. So basically usually I check what I have available, what vegetables, and then decide what to mix up. Not to make a really precise plan, basically to taste good anyway. And usually I do omelet with like 6-10 eggs. I guess quite enough protein for one time. And of course, garlic, a little bit garlic up there. Different greens, I don't know, it depends from your taste. Yeah, a little bit of chili, of course. I don't like spicy food, so I put just really tiny piece. Otherwise, I cannot feel the taste of food. And of course, yeah, onion. So basically, if you cut it like on a big pieces, it will be like more raw. But you can cut it in tiny pieces with a knife, or even you can use a shredder, so it will be even smaller. In that case, your vegetables will be cooked like super quick. A little bit of carrot. So basically everything will be like almost raw, I would say. So even if you're not a professional in the kitchen, easily you can make something like really simple and healthy with really quick amount of time. So basically it's just the example. And yeah, slow carbohydrates, cherry rice, but basically grains always, not the grains, cereals, always use the cereals as slow carbs. And so we're almost there. Something healthy, simple, and super quick. So we can add a little bit of sodium bicarbonate, so it will grow. Some seeds, Himalaya salt, whatever from your preferences, a little bit of soy sauce. Basically you can add any herbs you like. dill, basil, whatever. Pepper. Those should taste and smell good. And yeah, if you are gaining weight, you even can add a little bit of cheese later on. But I think it will be enough carbs for me, so no cheese today. Alright, almost done.